This dollhouse definitely comes with a lot of pieces.
How's assembly going?
The assembly on this is great. The instructions are real easy to follow. I mean, I've just started, but the kids get to do it with me, so it's really fun. And there's not a lot of tools involved with assembly, so it should be a pretty smooth process.
All finished and ready for the big reveal.
I think this is the quietest my girls have ever been. They are so focused on play right now. It's amazing.